How to log in Yahoo Mail account online. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to log in to Yahoo Mail account online. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Yahoo Mail application on your device. You will then be led to the login portal of Yahoo Mail. You will see two options to sign in. You can sign in with Yahoo or you can sign in with Google. In today's video, we will sign in with Yahoo. So tap on the sign in with Yahoo option. You will further be asked to enter your username, email, or mobile and tap on next. If you have forgotten your username, then you can tap on the forgot username option and recover your username. Once entered, you will be asked to enter your password. So go ahead and enter your password, and just in case if you have forgotten your password, tap on the forgot password option and recover your password, and once entered, tap on the next button, and with this, you have successfully logged in to Yahoo Mail account online. So this is how you can sign in to Yahoo Mail account online. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.